Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a shape in Canva. Whether you're working on a social media graphic, experimenting with a logo, or just playing around with designs, this feature can come in handy. First, open Canva on your computer. If you don't already have an account, sign up and log in. From there, start a new project or open one you've been working on. For this example, let's say you've got a blank canvas ready to go. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your workspace. You'll see tabs like Elements, Uploads, and Text. What you're looking for is the Draw tool. If you don't see it right away, click on More to expand the options. Once you select Draw, you'll notice different tool choices like pen, brush, or highlighter. These let you create shapes by hand. The brush is usually a great place to start because it gives you smooth, consistent lines. You can also adjust the size and color before you start drawing. Now, click and drag your cursor across the canvas to create your shape. Try to keep your strokes even for the cleanest look. If you make a mistake, don't stress. Just hit the undo button at the top left and try again. When you're happy with the shape, click on it to bring up editing options. From here, you can change the color, tweak transparency, or even add effects for a more unique touch. Once your design feels complete, save your work. Canva lets you download in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on what you need. And that's it. You've just learned how to draw shapes in Canva. It's a simple skill, but it opens up a lot of creative possibilities for your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.